Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you, Father, for another wonderful and amazing day. Okay, y'all, so this right here, this is a purse that my daughter bought, and today I want to show y'all really quick how to her chain pop on her purse. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm going to make it a little shorter so she can carry it either on her shoulder or on her wrist, on her arm. So I think this is pretty much where it popped at. It's really, really long. As you can see, all this chain is pretty long. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't even know how long this is, but I'm gonna try to make it. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come here, and on most chains, right, you can go in, and I should be able to pop that. Y'all see that right there? You can pop that, and then you can slide this off of the link. So I'm gonna take my pliers, come here, and just turn it like that, and take this off. Okay, so that's pretty much what we're gonna have. And then I'm gonna add some chain to this. So a few more links is what I'm gonna need. So just a few links. Trying to make sure that it's even. And I'm gonna need a few more links to make sure that it's even. Okay, so basically what I did was that I'm gonna connect that onto this like that, and I really should have another pair of pliers, flat nose pliers, just like this. Okay, so I've added that. Okay, and now both of these are pretty much the same length. It should be, oh gosh, one of them is still longer than the other. Oh, by one link. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come here and open this link like this, and take this off, and then I'm going to add these links onto the actual purse itself. So I'm gonna put it through like this, and then connect them, which is close them up. Just like that. And then I'm gonna do the same thing for this side. Okay, like that. Open it just like that and connect it. Just like that. So if you are ever in a situation, and see now I've made it longer. Right? So if you are ever in a situation where the chain on your purse pops, you can make it, as long as you got some pliers, you will be able to fix it. Okay, and then you can make it even shorter if you want to, but she wanted it long enough to put on her shoulders. All right, because it was really, really long. So with that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed this little quick tutorial. Y'all have a wonderful and amazing day. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share. And y'all have a wonderful and amazing day. Thank y'all so much for watching. Until my next upload, peace and blessings. See ya.